Become a Lansing Lugnut for a day. Make your dreams come true.
The hallway and for the nearest safe ramp or stairway.
Hello, baseball fans. How are you doing today? Can you remember the times when you were young, having a great time at an amazing Lugnuts baseball game? Guess what? We'll bring back those memories for all generations. Step into your time machine and go back in time with the good old Lugnuts. Be part of the historical match between the old Lugnuts team members and the young team members on Sunday the 3rd of September at the Lugnuts Stadium. A match you definitely don't want to miss.
If you want to be bored, protect yourself from the Lugnuts fan fever.
But if you want excitement, fun, and passion, join the ultimate fan club, Nuts and Bolts. You got affected by the nuts and bolts. Joy or sadness, future and past. A feeling that connects, Lansing Lugnuts.
Hi, I'm Madeleine. I'm studying at MSU. I'm looking for a job to pay my tuition fees, and I also inform what can I do after my graduation.
Hi, I'm Chris and I'm the owner of a coffee and bakery in Lansing. Unfortunately, I'm looking for employees, but it's very hard to find skilled people.
I'm Sebastian and I'm from the Lansing Lugnuts. We love baseball, but there's even one thing we love more: bringing people together.
Hi there! Do you want to know how it feels like to be a pirate?
Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You're a pirate. Being a pirate is a right to do. Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You are a pirate.
Looks fun, right? Join your local sports club to get a free ticket to the next game.
Hey Lugnuts, do you want to have as much fun as we did in a huge water fight? Well, we've thought about connecting two of our favorite things, a baseball and also a water gun.
Oh.